Well, I'm Thomas Maguire. I come from a little town in County Fermanagh called Irvinstown.
I'm Fhiona Ennis and I'm from Wexford, living in Fermanagh.
Can you tell us about your career to date? What sort of things have you been doing so far?
Come October this year, I'm on my 10th year on the road under the management of Henry McMahon. Fiona has been with the band for about 5 years now.
That's right.
I started off my musical career when I was 14, 15 in the pubs of Irvinstown. I wasn't old enough to be in them, but I was there playing the drums. And and then as I started off playing the drums, and I gently worked myself out to the front of the stage. I spent a few years over in London and done all the pubs and clubs over there. And then back in 2000, I got the offer to come back to Ireland, put the 5-piece band on the road under the management of Henry McMahon, and say here we are, 10 years on the road still.
And Fiona, when did you get into the music business?
I've always loved country music, and over the years I travelled to country dances every weekend. So I've sang with the best of them, like Declan Ernie, Mick Flavin, Jimmy Buckley. Yes, Thomas Maguire Band was at the time, yes, but it's now Thomas Maguire and Fhiona Ennis, I have to add. And so I've had very good experience with all those good bands. And actually Hugh O'Brien, he managed me. I put my own band on the road about 6 years back, and I was only on the road about 4 or 5 months when I teamed up with Thomas, but Hugh has been very, very good now to me, and yeah, he started it all, and now Henry McMahon is our manager, as Thomas said.
And if someone goes along to a show, what can they expect to see when they go to your shows?
Well, we're your typical dance band. Like, we're all about dancing, getting people out on the floor. We like to see ourselves as a lively band, lively band. Fiona plays the saxophone, so there's a sort of show band sort of element to the band as well. We try to, that we do the old time waltzes, etc., and a lively show. That's what we try to put on.
Fiona, future plans. What are the sort of things in the pipeline for you?
Well, what have we planned? Basically more recording. We just have a brand new album out in the last 2 weeks, and it's a lot of hard work, but we've a lot of material lined up for our next one.
What's the album called, Fiona?
Solid as a Rock. I'm trying to think with all the albums we have now, I'm sorry. Yeah, Solid as a Rock, and it's only out 2 weeks, as I said, and it's going great at the minute. So, as soon as you're finished one, you have to work on the next one. So it's all go. We have a few trips to Spain coming up. We're going with Declan Ernie to the Hooley in the Sun in September. We've a lot of other things coming up. Yeah. You probably remember the rest of them, Thomas.
I just wanted to throw in something. The listeners may be interested to know that myself and Fiona actually got married there back in September. Just gone there, and a lot of people are asking me, how's it going so far? And I have to say everything's going great. Fiona's doing everything I tell her, and so just everyone knows.
And if you believe that, you believe anything.